Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video on integration. In this video, I would like to attempt to evaluate this integral here and this integral in just under 5 minutes. So let's get started. So our first integral is the integral of x cubed e to the power x dx. We choose one of the two functions, which one to differentiate and which one to integrate, and I'm choosing x cubed to differentiate and e to the power x to integrate, and I carry on with differentiation. So 3x squared integrating here, we get e to the power x, differentiating 3x squared, you get 6x integrating e to the power x, you get e to the power x, differentiating 6x, you get 6, integrating e to the power x, you get e to the power x, differentiating 6, you get 0, integrating e to the power x, you get e to the power x. You stop when you hit 0 here. And the solution is obtained by following these diagonal lines and of course alternating the signs. The first one is a plus sign, a minus sign, a plus sign, a minus sign, a plus sign. Now our final solution is, we're saying therefore the integral of x cubed e to the power x dx is just going to be equal to x cubed e power x cubed e to the power x minus 3x squared e to the power x plus 6x e to the power x, and then minus 6 e to the power x, and then plus your constant of integration. You can factorize this expression. You're taking out e to the power x, you're going to get e to the power x, open brackets, this is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 6, and then plus your constant of integration. So this is the final solution using the DI method. Remember, this is integration by parts, but using a formula or a short form, the differentiate integrate method. Right, I'm moving on to the second integral. The second integral is this one here. We carry on as follows, following the same procedure. Integral number 2, we are saying is the integral of x power 5 e to the power x dx. So what are we saying? We choose the function to differentiate and the function to integrate, and I'm going to choose x power 5 to differentiate and e to the power x to integrate. So the first derivative is 5x power 4. Integral of e power x is e power x. Differentiate again. Remember, power rule is 20 x power 3. Here we have e to the power x. When you integrate that, differentiate again, you get 60 x squared. Remember, you multiply and reduce power by 1. And integrating e to the power x, you get the same expression. Differentiate this again, you get 120 x. Integrate this, you get e to the power x. Differentiate this, you get 120. Integrating e to the power x, you still get e to the power x. Differentiate 120, you get 0. Remember, it's a constant. Integrating e to the power x, you still get e to the power x. The signs must alternate: a plus sign, a minus, plus sign, minus, plus sign, minus, and a plus sign. Final solution is, therefore, we're saying the integral of x power 5 of e to the power x dx is just going to be equal to, starting from here, x power 5. Remember, we follow diagonal lines like so. Those are the diagonal lines we follow. So it's going to be x cubed, x power 5, e power x, x power 5, e power x, and then minus 5, x power 4, e power x, and then plus 20, x power 3, e power x, and then minus 60, x squared, e power x, and then plus 120, 120 plus 120, that is x e to the power x, and then minus 120 e to the power x, and then you have to say plus your constant of integration. You can factorize this if you want to come up with a final solution. Factorizing that, you should get, if you allow me to use this space here, you should get e to the power x, open brackets, x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 20x cubed, and then minus 60x squared plus 120x minus 120, and then you have to say plus your constant of integration. That's the final solution. I hope you found this useful. Just under 5 minutes. See you next time.